In this aid, we will voice our really own and market's viewpoint on ILV future while examining the Illuvium cost estimate for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, explicitly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything sort of is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like Illuvium in an unpretentious manner. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive genuinely profound into the Illuvium value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that ILV is a wise venture or not, for what reason will ILV succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Illuvium value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what ILV is and its to-date history. ILV value expectation for the really next 90 days. Incredibly, the very entire crypto world basically is on an edge of an undeniable bear market, which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking genuinely high in the midst of a more extensive market basically drops affected by seething expansion and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers generally are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional very steady business sectors. Crypto truly is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous explicitly play, and subsequently the auction, which essentially is very huge. Our algo still sees a sum especially green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This fundamentally is reflected in our 2022 forecasts in an essentially significant way. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and in every practical sense, alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will truly begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation most certainly times in the removed and substantially more late history, which is genuinely critical. Our cost expectation model is negative for the next 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, in spite of prevalent thinking. We in every practical sense, expect whales and other genuinely greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. October 1, 2022, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Minus 2.89%, $55.47. October 2, 2022, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Plus 6.47%, $60.82. October 3, 2022 in an unobtrusive manner. Plus 1.32%, $57.88. October 4, 2022. Minus 0.85%, $56.64, or so they really thought. October 5, 2022. Plus 1.45%, $57.95. October 6, 2022 in a significant manner. Minus 1.41%, $56.32. October 7, 2022. Minus 1.98%, $55.99. October 8, 2022. Plus 1.96%, $58.24 in an unobtrusive manner. Illuvium value expectation 2022, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Most of specialists basically concur that this bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding. We see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions, which truly is very critical. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October in a significant way. Minus 7.08%, $53.08 incredibly. 2022 November minus 24.37%, $43.20. 2022 December in a fundamentally significant manner. Minus 23.19%, $43.88. 2023 Jan in an unpretentious manner. Minus 9.57%, $51.66. 2023 February, in spite of mainstream thinking. Minus 4.88%, $54.34. 2023 Blemish. Plus 2.39%, $58.49. 2023 April, which is very critical. Plus 15.62%, $66.04 2023 May. Plus 21.38%, $69.33 2023 June. Plus 31.43%, $75.07 2023 July. Plus 30.89%, $74.77 2023 August. Plus 44.22%, $82.38 2023 September. Plus 51.50%, $86.54 ILV value forecast 2025, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our forecast model sees ILV coming to $144.24 in 2025. What will ILV be worth in 5 years? The cost of ILV in 5 years could truly lie around $132.41, which is genuinely huge. Illuvium value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Illuvium will be extremely worth in 2030. Our estimating model sees Illuvium coming to $360.59 in 2030 amazingly. What Illuvium will essentially be fundamentally worth in 2040. Our estimating model sees Illuvium coming to $721.18 in 2040. Will Illuvium supplant, by and large outperform, surpass Bitcoin, or so they truly thought? No. Illuvium won't for the most part supplant or really surpass BTC, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Is Illuvium worth purchasing, as opposed to mainstream thinking? We are supporters of decently dangerous money management. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bushel of large-cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with tremendous potential gain, which in every practical sense, is very huge. Thus, in this specific situation, Illuvium merits purchasing, or so they thought. Is Illuvium a wise venture? Illuvium is, very much like for all expectations and purposes other digital currencies, an unsafe speculation. It really does basically have sort of higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, lovely dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Illuvium truly be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $35.30. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it could leap to $360.59 or significantly higher, or so they basically thought. For what reason will Illuvium in a real sense succeed and get more expensive, which is very huge? Illuvium basically has a very decent use case, all around planned